needs to finish building a roller coaster before filming the on-ride POV video? Not Six Flags. Thanks to a drone, Six Flags Over Texas today released a partial real POV video for its new record-setting Tormenta Rampaging Run roller coaster. The Bollinger Mabyard dive coaster will set records for that model, with a height of 309 feet and a top speed of 87 miles an hour. Six Flags drone skims the track at what will be rider's eye level when Tormenta Rampaging Run opens later this year. From the top of the 309-foot hill, you can sample the view that riders will enjoy before dropping at a beyond vertical 95 degrees at 87 miles an hour into a record-setting 218-foot Immelman inversion. And beyond that, let's just enjoy this drone's eye view of soaring through this record-setting Immelman inversion that riders will be able to enjoy on Tormenta Rampaging Run at Six Flags Over Texas later this year.